How to close debit spread on Robinhood. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through step by step in the process of closing a debit spread on Robinhood. Whether you are managing a vertical call spread or a vertical bot spread, the steps are essentially the same. The goal is to exit the position before expiration, either to realize your profit or to limit your further losses. So, you want to go ahead and start by opening any browser in your PC and then search for Robinhood.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log in to Robinhood account. And once you're logged into your account, simply navigate to the portfolio section. So once you're inside here, scroll through your active holdings, find your debit spread. Robinhood groups the spread in a single position even though it consists of two option contracts, one long and one short. So tap on the spread to view details and you should see both leg of trade listed along with your current values and combined profit or loss. Within the position screen, tap on the trade button and for the trade menu, select close. This will automatically generate a multi-leg order that closes both sides of the spread, selling your long option and buying back your short option. By default, Robinhood will use a limit order. This allows you to set minimum credit or maximum debit you are willing to accept. So you want to go ahead and carefully review the midpoint between the bid and ask prices, as it's often a good starting place. And just like that, you can adjust this based on how quickly you want the order filled and current market liquidity. And after you do that, the last step is to go ahead and review your full order summary, including the net credit or debit of the spread, number of contacts, and the expiration date. If everything looks correct, tap on submit to send the order. Once submitted, your order will appear under pending tab in your portfolio. If this does not fill immediately, you can close to modify or cancel as needed. And just like that, you'll then be able to close debit spread on Robinhood. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.